Alright folks, this is a video I hoped I'd never have to make. I got approached by a VPN company, very typical kind of offer, from a site called legit-vpn.com. And guess what? It's not so legit. Go figure. It's a total scam, and worse, it's a virus. These guys tried to get me. You are not going to want to miss this.
Nico knows tech, all your tech tips and reviews on deck. Nico knows tech, #1 channel with the news on deck.
So let me take you back to the beginning. A couple of days I was going through my emails like I always do, and I was going through all of the sponsorship offers that every YouTuber gets every single day of the week, and most of them I say no to. This one company stuck out to me because not only did it have a silly name, Legit VPN, I had never heard of it before, so I was curious. And another thing that stuck out to me was they wanted me to contact them to a phone number via WhatsApp. Usually whenever there's an offer directing you off the medium you were contacted in, that is a red flag. But not always. A lot of foreign companies do business via WhatsApp or Telegram, so I was going to see it through. I was curious. Once I contacted the person via WhatsApp, they acted like they didn't remember me. Since the email was titled to me, I figured maybe the left hand didn't know what the right hand was doing. I gave my channel link, and immediately the person came back with $1,000 for a pre-roll. This was unusual because it's a lot for upfront. Upfront offers that are that high is unusual and usually suspect. Still, they had a legit looking website. Pardon the name. I looked at the website and everything looked like a typical VPN website, so I did a little bit more digging. I dug into the domain registry. The address at the bottom didn't make any sense. 1234 Cybersecurity Way, I think it was what it said. So that was a fake address, but maybe it was a placeholder. The domain had only been up for a couple of days, and it was registered to a Russian company. But maybe there's many points of this company that are decentralized. Still, I wanted to see it through. And if you're wondering, Nico, why did you waste your time? Don't worry, we're going to get to that. The first thing I did was check the URL of legitvpn.com with VirusTotal. And it doesn't come up with much, and I'm going to explain why. Gridnosoft rates this as suspicious, but all these different companies say that it's perfectly clean. The reason is that the malware is hidden in a password-protected zip file. As I was recording this video, I tried once again to download the link I had used before to download Legit VPN, and the link wasn't working, and I think this is by design. The makers of this payload wouldn't want it falling into the hands of, say, me. I decided to run the suspicious file in my malware testing environment at Any.Run. If you guys want to get into malware analysis, this is a great place to do it. I have numerous videos on the channel on Any.Run, and I will leave links in the description as well. I booted up a Windows 10 VM and extracted the zip file with the password the attacker gave me. Inside was what I would call an obvious malware executable. When executed with a double click, nothing visually occurs, but behind the scenes, completely invisible to most users, the payload initializes and then drops another executable called BitLocker to go. This has nothing to do with the real BitLocker. This is what we in the cybersecurity industry call a stealer. This stealer is known as Luma. It steals saved logins from your browser, as well as credentials to accounts you have logged into, and then it silently exfiltrates it to the command and control server, or C2 as we call it. This malware attack is targeted. An entire website with serious efforts to look, well, legit, as well as the command and control server, were set up entirely to steal my YouTube channel. Let this video serve as a warning to other YouTubers and content creators that Legit VPN is not legit. And let this video also serve as a warning to malware actors out there. You made a mistake. I submitted this threat to online open source malware databases so that everyone on the planet can detect this threat, including all antivirus companies. You should expect updates to your antivirus very soon. In addition, I'm also going to be attending ESET World 2025 in Las Vegas in just a couple of weeks, and I will be talking about this threat with ESET's top-of-the-line malware researchers. Threat defeated.